Hey up everyone, tell you now, you couldn't make it up. Supposed to be cutting the rice tomorrow, but just like everything else, lastminute.com, oh we're doing it today. So I've been clearing out my shed, making room for the rice, cleaning it all out. Oh, snakes in there, mice, cockroaches, ants, huge ants nest, biggest nest I've ever seen, but they weren't the bitey ants, they were just the black ones, the small black ones. Anyway, so I says, right, I finished off, gets in the shower, comes out, my quad bike's gone. So I jumped on the PCX. It's probably one of the worst motorbikes ever for rough terrain. I like the Finos and the Scoopies are shit as well, but I mean this bike's Farang size. So anyway, I've just caught Mimi up. So she's obviously abandoned me, gone to the shop because I can see the cool box on the back. She got her mum on there. I'm gonna go harvest the rice. I just went for a back brake then. Went with my foot, which we haven't got on this. Like an old lady. I was surprised if we get down here and got to wait an hour or whatever for the harvester, but we'll see. I think that's Mimi's dad's motorbike, or one of them. Maybe the harvester's already in the field. Who knows? She's allegedly organised for a truck to take the rice back. I'm going to dump it in the land in Mimi's mum's sister's land and lay it down on the blue net for drying. Yeah, PCX, the bloody no petrol in it, look. The digital odometer is only displaying 3 numbers and half of a fourth. Rubbish. People always used to say, buy a Honda, buy a Honda. Never liked them. Never had a problem, touch wood, with a Kawasaki ever, reliability wise. Right, that'll do for now. Well, it looks good anyway. Very little green. So just hurry up and wait. Yang? Mud? Oh, that. Cut your foot on the stick. Hee. Picnic supply. Look at this rubbish. 62 baht. God, that's gone up a lot. I hear a noise, Mimi. Lot ma, Leo. That's my harvester turning up, I believe. Look at this. Body cup. He's a harvester master. Here comes my machine. Pimp my ride. So you got the wide track. And when the field's wet, you got a leak. Ready for a bit of beer, I think. All the chrome knobs, the controls. Sponsor đen.
Sponsor đen.
Không. Oh, look at her posing. Look like a Mexican. Sack is off. Oh no. Alright, just moved it so Mimi can get a better photograph. Bang! Hey! Mad. Look at all those belts unguarded, make you laugh.
One tea ton, yeah, I can put in the tea ton. That means
Samton. Let's have a look. สวัสดีครับห้องคืออะไรครับทำมาเลยทำวิดีโอ YouTube
เรามองไม่เห็นเลยแล้วมันจะอยู่ในนี้เลย
เดินไปถ่ายให้หน่อย เดินไปถ่ายให้หน่อย
ไม่เป็น
ยาเบียร์
ถามอะไรอ่ะ
Let's have a look. Oh, my fucking legs sees up. Go. Moment of truth, I suppose. See how much we get. But so far I've spent 12,500. It's 500 baht a ride for this machine, so that's going to be another 4,500 baht. And then another 400 baht for the truck to take the rice back to the house. Yeah, about 18,000 in all. And I'm hoping I get 30,000 back. Well, in theory, so I don't want to sell anything. I want to keep it. They're only getting 12.5 baht a kilo at the rice warehouses, so that's pretty poor. Has been as high as round about 20 baht when I first came here, but it's been as low as 5 baht as well, so it's not the worst here. Oh, small fish.
Chết luôn. Quay rồi.
Look like bamo.
Ồ, bamo.
Bamo. Small bamo. They're called a doctor fish. Got a problem with the harvester. Hell. Oh, it's back in action. Don't know where the other two whizzed off to then on the motorbikes. This bloke here was just talking to Mimi. Right then, Mimi, what did he say about the rice?
Beautiful.
Yeah, what did he say?
Not got insect, not got thing shit. Can tell by the eye.
Yeah, but you said about the seed. What did he say?
This year I buy seed from people. Next year the people gonna buy seed from me to show to go next
Because
year.
why?
Cause good, look beautiful.
Not see any rice as good as this, no?
Yeah.
Anyway.
They say the same.
Yeah, because the farang grow.
Yeah, right.
I did. I told you. Makes me feel good anyway. Told them, if they listen to me, they'll get good rice.